everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day, staying safe, if I can say that. If you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is at least once a week, sometimes twice. I did finally get part of my Pandora packaging. Some of the charms are still on back order, so hopefully they'll be coming in next week, but I was able to get some of them. They're having a 50% off, so if you're interested in Pandora, this is a good time to order online. I went to the store today at the mall in Abbotsford in BC, and they didn't have a lot to choose from. However, online is a little bit better, so I would highly recommend doing that. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. Alright, so today is an unboxing of some of my Pandora charms. Let's go ahead and get started. Comes in a box like this. Got my blade. Go ahead and open it up. Okay, let's see what we got here. Alright, here's my receipt. Came in a box like this. Pandora. And they're all in individual boxes. So that's kind of cool with the pink Pandora paper. It's like tissue paper. So I use that to wrap other things, so that's kind of cool. Alright, so here's the first one in this box here. Alright, this is, it looks like a Minnie Mouse one from the lunar year. See if you can kind of see it. It's kind of hard to see. I'll leave all the pictures for you on Instagram, so make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style. Alright, there's number 2. This one is Mickey. He's in the same for the Chinese lunar. He's got the same outfit as Minnie, basically. Okay, that's number 2. Number 3. I'm not sure what that one is. Okay. Came in a little tissue paper wrapped up. This is a little rose gold. Little spacer. And they come with these little Pandora little tags, and then at the back it will have, see that little hologram? That means that they're authentic, basically. There's a lot of fakes out there, unfortunately. Alright, this is number 4. Okay, this is a pretty one. This is rose gold. And it has purple, like little beads, and rose gold. Kind of see them a little bit. Okay. And I have a few more coming that are on back order, so we'll see if I ever see those. This took a while. I placed this order at least a month and a half ago, and I'm just getting them today, so there you go. And I don't have all of the ones that I got, so. Alright, here's my 5th one here. But they all come packaged nice though. So if you're thinking about giving these as a gift, this would be a good time, because they're all on half price. This is another spacer. Alright. Alright, that's my Pandora unboxing for today. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And if you're into Pandora, what's your favorite Pandora piece that you have? Let me know in the comments. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Thanks for watching.